Gaslighting is a shadowy psychological manipulation that seeps into relationships, creating an atmosphere where perception becomes a battleground. At its core, this insidious tactic involves the manipulator's denial of reality, casting doubt on the victim's memories and experiences, a cruel dance that erodes confidence and autonomy. Victims often find themselves lost in a fog, questioning their own recollections and feelings, as the manipulator asserts control over their emotional landscape, reshaping it to their advantage. The manipulative techniques employed in gaslighting are as varied as they are harmful. Instances of denying facts, belittling the victim's responses, and persistently challenging their grasp of events create a toxic environment. Over time, the victim may become trapped in a web of confusion and doubt, relinquishing their sense of self to the manipulator. This gradual erosion of confidence can breed anxiety and self-loathing, making it nearly impossible for the victim to trust their instincts or push against the suffocating grip of manipulation. Victims can find it challenging to identify gaslighting, especially when entangled in close relationships. Subtle shifts in conversation, persistent feelings of bewilderment, and a pervasive sense of inadequacy are all telling signs. They might frequently apologize or isolate themselves from supportive loved ones, unsure of their reality and yearning for clarity in a shifting landscape. These symptoms are poignant reminders of the emotional scars inflicted by deceitful manipulation. To combat gaslighting, victims must harness awareness and cultivate resilience. Keeping detailed records of conversations can serve as a lifeline, anchoring them in reality. Involving trusted friends or mental health professionals can help the victim reclaim their perspective and validate their feelings, a powerful step towards healing. Trusting one's instincts becomes imperative, as restoring self-confidence and autonomy requires unwavering commitment to self-affirmation. Establishing firm boundaries is essential in dealing with a gaslighter. These boundaries may include limiting interactions or, when necessary, severing ties with the manipulator altogether. Protecting personal mental and emotional well-being is paramount, reaffirming the individual's right to their perceptions and feelings. Seeking professional help in therapy can facilitate the healing journey, allowing individuals to rebuild self-esteem and navigate the emotional aftermath of manipulation in a supportive environment.